been down to New Orleans, you can understand just what I mean. All through the week, it's quiet as a mouse, but on Saturday night, they go from house to house. You don't have to pay the usual admission if you're a cook or a waiter or a good musician. So if you happen to be just passing by, stopping at the Saturday night fish fry.
It was rockin'. It was rockin'.
You never seen sis jumping and shuffling till the break of dawn. Now my buddy and me was on the main stem, fooling around, just me and him. We decided we could use a little something to eat, so we went to a house on Rampart Street. We knocked on the door and it opened with ease, and a pretty little miss said, "Come in, please." And before we could even bat an eye, we was standing in the middle of a big fish fry.
It was rockin'. It was rockin'.
You never seen sis jumping and shuffling till the break of dawn. Now the folks was having the time of their life, and Jim was jiving Sammy's wife. Over in the corner was a beat-up grand being played by a big fat piano.